Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video presentation. Previously, let me introduce myself. My name is Rina Karisma Putri with NPM 2241-1146 and Management Class 22B. Here I will explain about the organizational behavior cards with the title of the material Organizational Culture. And now, let's start the presentation. Definition: organizational culture is a system of values, beliefs, and norms understood and shared by members of an organization, which influence how they behave and work. In the context of organizational behavior, this culture guides member behavior, shapes interaction, and gives meaning to organizational activities. And according to Mondi and Noe, 1996, organizational culture is a system of shared values, belief, and beliefs and practice that exist within an organization and interact with its formal structure to create standard of behavior. Next element, organizational culture consists of several important elements that interact with each other to form the identity and characteristic of an organization. 1. Core values are basic principles that are considered important by the organization and serve as guidelines for every action and decision. These values are usually reflected in the organization vision and mission and are interlinked through training program and internal communication. And 2. Social norms, which are unwritten rules that guide the behavior of organizational members in everyday interaction, include aspects such as dress code, communication style, and work etiquette. 3. Artifact and symbol include everything that can be seen and touched, such as logos, official design, and policy documents that reflect and reinforce an organizational culture. Next, 4. Ritual and tradition, namely recurring activities or events that have symbolic meaning in the organizational culture, such as company anniversary celebration or social activities. 5. Story and myths also play an important role in shaping organizational culture. Story about a company founder or significant moment can inspire organizational members and strengthen their sense of identity. And C. Power structure describe how power and authority are distributed within an organization, whether more hierarchical or democratic, which also influence how the culture develops. By understanding this element, organizations can effectively manage their culture to achieve strategic goals and create a positive work environment. Next characteristic of organizational culture. The characteristic of organizational culture include a number of elements that describe how an organization operates and interacts, such as 1. Innovation and risk-taking, namely an organization with a strong culture encourages its members to innovate and take risks. 2. Attention to detail means that members are expected to pay attention to detail in every aspect of their work so that the results achieved are more accurate and of high quality. 3. Result orientation, namely a good organizational culture usually focuses more on achieving results than on the process or techniques used to achieve them. Aggressiveness and for aggressiveness, namely in some organizational culture, there is an emphasis on competitiveness where members are encouraged to be aggressive in achieving goals and outperforming competitors. And next, the impact of organizational culture. The impact of organizational culture in a company is significant and can affect various aspects of operation and employee performance. A strong and positive organizational culture can increase employee motivation, create a collaboration work environment, and encourage innovation. When organizational values and norms are aligned with employee expectations, they tend to feel more engaged and commit to the company goals, which in turn increase productivity. Conversely, a weak or negative culture can lead to job dissatisfaction, low morale, and high turnover rates, which are detrimental to the company as a whole. In addition, organizational culture also plays a role in shaping the company identity in the eyes of the public. Organizations with a strong culture are often more appreciated by customers and stakeholders. And in this context, organizational culture is not only a determining factor for internal success, but also contributes to competitiveness in the market. Therefore, it is important for management to actively manage and develop organizational culture in order to create a productive and harmonious work environment and achieve the company's strategic goals. And well, everyone, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.